Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. When serving dips, appetizers, or even a main course, often you need a food vessel. Hey, there's nothing wrong with plain Jane bread, baguette, or dinner rolls, but it's always nice to upgrade your repertoire. Here's an incredibly simple, quick, and easy Italian recipe that everyone should know. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make crostini. These little Italian guys are a must, especially when there are dips around. Brushed with olive oil and toasted in the oven, these are the perfect food vessels or site for dishes. It's also a nice way to use up your stale bread. So my friends, let's get cooking. Well, that's exactly what it is. I used my kitchen trick to revive my bread, and now I'll be using it to make crostini. So after we slice the baguette diagonally with a serrated knife, we'll brush on some olive oil. Traditionally, olive oil is the preferred oil, but on the website, I mentioned a few different options, so check it out. Now, depending on what we'll be pairing them with, we can also add some salt, freshly ground black pepper, and other seasonings. That, as well, I give more ideas on the blog. So we'll place them on a baking sheet lined with foil and transfer them to a 350-degree preheated oven. We'll bake them until nicely browned, about 10 to 15 minutes, making sure not to burn the bread. Halfway through cooking, though, we'll rotate the baking sheet and continue baking for the remaining time. And my friends, these are our crostini. These little Italian toasts are incredibly easy to make and an amazing food vessel for dips, spreads, or other toppings. They are versatile and they can be made ahead of time and stored in an airtight container. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!